Hey guys, Halloween is right around the corner. I'm going to do a really fun tutorial today on how to do pop art Halloween makeup. This is going to be super easy to follow so you can have an amazing fun Halloween costume. I'm going to be using a lot of products, but don't worry about making notes of those because I'm going to leave a full description below. But I am going to be using some Halloween makeup. So I got this literally at like Walgreens, and I feel like this Halloween makeup, the white part of it works a lot better than just regular makeup. So let's get started. I already did my base, so I have my foundation and my concealer already on so that I can move on to the actual makeup part. Okay. You're going to be using a lot of black eyeliner, so I'm going to be using just a regular black eyeliner. I would say either if you're planning on literally going like wild all night long, use waterproof. If not, if you only need it for an hour or two, stay away from the waterproof makeup. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our face into a cartoon comic book pop art. And how we're going to do that is we're going to emphasize a lot of the features that they would feature on comic books. So I'm going to start with my jawline. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. And I'm going to move on to my cheekbones. And I'm going to move on to the rest of my face. So I'm going to do my eyes last because that does get a little more detailed. So we'll go ahead and do our nose. I went ahead and did my nose. Again, you can change the lines up however you feel like, if you want to emphasize certain features or if you want to go a little bit different or like a little more wild. But I'm going to go ahead and just do this way for now. Okay, I've already done my eyebrows, so I'm actually going to go over them with a little bit of a darker color. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer, and then just any glitter eyeshadow will work for the base of my eyes. And you could go silver, gold, you can do whatever you like. So when you're doing pop art makeup, literally just forget everything you know about doing makeup. You're not gonna like blend this perfectly. You're not gonna be like contouring to make it look nice. The whole point is that it is supposed to be overly emphasized and cartoonish. Okay, I'm gonna start on my eyeliner. So I'm going to do a regular eyeliner first on both sides, and then I'm going to do the wings. It helps to have a sharpened liner for this. So I've done my base. I'm actually going to move on to a liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to do two wings. And I'm going to do underneath my eyes as well. So before I do my under eyes, I'm going to take a white eyeliner and line the inside of my eyes so they look bigger. And now I'm going to move back on to my liquid eyeliner. And now I'm going to do my eyeliner on the bottom. And I'm going to literally start like just doing the bottom. And then I'm going to emphasize it out. I'm going to take my eyeliner again and I'm going to just fill in the gap right here. Okay. I'm going to go back to my regular pencil. I'm going to sharpen it a little bit and do the crease. And I'm going to start by a little over midway. Just to make it look a little more precise, I'm going to go over it with a liquid eyeliner, so it just looks, I feel like it just looks better. I'm gonna go ahead and do a red lip with a black eyeliner. In this scenario, I would say do your lip first and then the black eyeliner on top of it. Okay, while my lip dries, I'm gonna go back to my liquid eyeliner and add a few more lines around my face. So one there. One there. One there. And then I'm gonna finish up my lip liner and then move on to all the dots on my face. I'm gonna take a white paint pot. This is also the NYX Gel. And I'm gonna emphasize a few points. Underneath my eyebrow. I'm gonna do some points on my lip. Okay. I'm gonna do my lip liner. And now I'm going to finish it up by putting white dots all over my face. And I'm going to use the Halloween makeup for that and just one of these little sponges that it comes with. And you can put as many as you like. Time for lashes. Okay, I'm gonna put the next one on. Don't forget your under eyes. You are ready to step out of a comic book. Hopefully this was an easy tutorial to follow. Again, I'll leave a description of all of the products that I used down below. Make sure to leave us some comments, subscribe to our channel, and good luck. Happy Halloween.